Welcome to our podcast on women's health. Today, we're discussing a common issue many women face: yeast infections. We'll focus on what not to do when dealing with a yeast infection. Understanding these missteps can help you manage your symptoms more effectively and recover more quickly. A yeast infection, often caused by an overgrowth of Candida yeast, can lead to symptoms like itching, burning, and unusual discharge. It's important to address these symptoms properly to avoid further complications. Treating a yeast infection typically involves antifungal medications, which can be prescribed by your healthcare provider or bought over the counter. These treatments are effective, but it's crucial to follow specific guidelines to ensure complete recovery. One critical point to remember is to complete the full course of any prescribed medication. Even if your symptoms improve before finishing the treatment. Incomplete treatment can lead to recurrence or resistance, making the infection harder to treat in the future. Wearing wet clothes like swimsuits or sweaty workout gear can exacerbate a yeast infection. Moist environments promote the growth of yeast, so it's essential to change out of wet clothes as soon as possible. Maintaining good hygiene is important, but don't skip your showers. Regular showers help keep the area clean and reduce the risk of further irritation or infection. However, make sure to avoid overly hot water, which can aggravate the symptoms. When showering, use mild, unscented soap. And avoid scrubbing the vaginal area harshly. Gentle cleaning helps prevent irritation and maintains the natural balance of your vaginal flora. The importance of air drying your vagina cannot be overstated. After a shower, air drying your vagina is crucial. Pat the area gently with a clean towel and allow it to dry completely. Avoid using a hairdryer or other heat sources as they can cause irritation. If you're under treatment, follow your healthcare provider's instructions carefully. This includes avoiding any actions or products that could interfere with the effectiveness of your medication. For example, some treatments may be sensitive to certain personal care products. It's natural to feel itchy, but avoid scratching the affected area. Scratching can worsen irritation and potentially lead to infection. Instead, use a cold compress or take an oatmeal bath to help soothe the itchiness. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more tips. Nylon and synthetic fabrics can trap moisture and heat, creating an ideal environment for yeast growth. Opt for breathable cotton underwear and avoid tight-fitting clothing to help keep the area dry and comfortable. It's advisable to avoid sexual activity while you have a yeast infection. Sex can irritate the vaginal area and potentially spread the infection. Waiting until you're fully treated will help ensure a complete recovery. Avoid putting anything inside your vagina that isn't prescribed or recommended by your healthcare provider. This includes over-the-counter remedies or foreign objects, which can further disrupt the vaginal environment. Lastly, douching should be avoided. It can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria and yeast in the vagina, potentially worsening your symptoms. Your body is designed to cleanse itself naturally, so let it do its job without interference. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this information helps you navigate your yeast infection with better understanding and care. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice and treatment. Stay tuned for more health tips and discussions. Until next time, take care and be well. Music fades out completely.